get this pattern in mind. If there's a big number, right, it doesn't matter now because it is 0 here. It will further 0 before 5 and 7 number, right? It would be 7 number, it would be a 10 digit number, 20 digit number, 100 digit number, right? After this, after C into 10 cube, all becomes 0, right? That basically means that if I'm dividing by 25 or 5 square, I have to only look at last two digit or 2 square. 2 square or 5 square, only last two digit. 2 cube or 5 cube, only last 3 digit. So 2 cube or 5 cube, last 3 digit, 2 square or 5 square, last 2 digit. Therefore, we can generalize that for 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n, I have to only look for divisibility for large n digits. Divisibility for large n digits, that's it. Right? That's it. For example, it is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4 square, 5 raised to 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 raised to 4 square, right? This will take care of all these numbers. It will take care of all these numbers, right? For example, if I write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 125, what is the remainder? Right? So I should simply check that. What is 125? 125 is nothing but 5 cube. So for 5 cube means for 5 raised to n, it is last 10 digit. So for 5 cube, it is last 3 digit. Right? So we have to check for last 3. That's it. Because all will become 0. So just under this one, I'm fit 789 by 125 remainder. So 125 into 6 is 750. So the answer is 7. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9 divided by 125. What is the remainder? Remainder is 39. That's it. Okay. So 125 is 5 cube. I am looking for just last 3 digits. Okay. Very simple. Very simple it is. Okay. 3, 4, 7, 8, 2, 9 divided by 4. What is the remainder? So now what is 4? 4 is just 2 square. So 2 square means I have to just look for last 2 digits. I have to just look for last 2 digits. Right. So only last 29. What is the answer? Answer is 29 by 4. 4, 7, 28. What is the answer? Answer is 26. That's it. Right. 3, 4, 7, 8, 2, 9 divided by 4. Remember, what is the answer? Answer is 1. Because for 4, I just need to look at last 2 digits. What is 4? 4 is 2 square. Any number of the form 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n, I have to only look for last n digits for finding remainder or divisibility rule. Okay. So whenever we ask that, suppose I can be asked that, okay, if a number is divisible by 4 or not, is this number is divisible by 4 or not, right? So what we will do? We will directly calculate the remainder. If remainder comes out to be 0, it is divisible. Otherwise, we will get the remainder. Okay. So whenever asked about divisibility, we simply calculating fine. Okay. So this takes care of all the numbers. Okay. All the numbers of the form.
I've been working for over 10 years and I've not been able to save an interest. But if you want to build well, you need to earn or save.
Okay, all the numbers of the form 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n. What is the rule? Check for large n digits. Check for large n digits. That's it. Okay. Now next I look for returns. Next I look for divisibility for 3 and 9. 3 and 9 will be same because 3 is a factor of 9. 3 is a factor of 9. Okay. Now see, again take example. The example A, B, C, D, E is a 5-digit number. Is a 5-digit number. Okay. I can break like A into 10 raised to 4 plus B into 10 cube plus C into 10 square plus B into 10 raised to 2 plus C into 10 raised to 0. Now if I am dividing this whole number by 9, what is the remainder? You see, now again you look at only 10, right? 1 by 9, okay? 1 by 9, remainder is 1 only. 10 by 9, remainder is 1 only. 100 by 9, remainder is 1 only, right? Because 10 into 10 by 9, what is the remainder? So by just property of remainder, we can do it individually. So 10 by remainder 1, 10 by 9 remainder 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 only, right? It is 1. 10 cube by 9, again 1, because if I add one more 10 here, more position, 10 by 9, again 1. Okay, so 10 cube by 9, 1, 10 4 by 9, 1. It doesn't matter, right? Whatever is the power of 10, any power of 10 divided by 9, what is the remainder? 1 only. So what I'm left here now? So after dividing by 9, what I'm left here is, I'm left with a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Right? So this I'm looking for. If this number has to divide by 9, right? This means on dividing by 9, that remainder has to be 0. So if remainder is 0, then only number is divisible, obviously. Right? So what we'll do, that's why the rule for 9 is what? A plus b plus c plus d plus c. That is what it is. Sum of the digits. That is sum of the digits. So rule for 9, 3 and 9 is what? Check for the sum of the digits. Because all the powers of 10 when divided by 9, remainder will be 1. Okay. So only check for the sum of the digits. Fine. For example, 7, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 8, 9 divided by 9. What is the remainder? What is the remainder? Right. So simply what we will do? We will simply check for sum of the digits. Right. 7 plus 9, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 6, 30 plus 5, 35 plus 4, 39 plus 8, 47 plus 9, 56. So 56 by 9 remainder. So 9, again I can add, right? Again I can add it. So 5 plus 6, 11. So 11 by 9 remainder. What is it? 11 by 9? 2 is the answer, right? So 2 is the answer because 11 by 9, what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. Okay. So for 3 and 9, I have to always check for what? I have to always check for sum of the digits. So 3 and 9, I have to always check for sum of the digits. Okay, clear? Okay, next we'll do for 11. Next we'll do for 11. Divisibility for 11 will do for 11. Okay, now see for 11, what will happen now? Take say number ABCD is a finite number. Now this number I am dividing by 11.
Hi.
This number I am dividing by 11.
Hi, Hugh.
Now what will happen if you divide by 11? You see here now. What will happen if you divide here by 11? See, in this case, negative remainder will come into picture, right? We divide by 11. Negative remainder will come into picture, right? Because 1 by 11 remainder is 1 only. 10 by 11, what is the remainder? Minus 1. 100 by 11, what is the remainder? Plus 1. 1000 by 11, it is how much? Minus 1. 10,000 by 11, it is how much? Plus 1, right? It is minus 1, no? Because 1000 by 11, 10 into 10 into 10 by 11, remainder will calculate, right? So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, it is minus 1 only. So 10 cube by 11 is minus 1. So in short, any even power of 10 by 11, remainder is plus 1. Any odd power of 10 by 11, remainder is what? Minus 1. Okay. So what we got result as here? We got result as, from here, we got result as, there are these negatives, right? E plus E, E, C and A are of positive sign. E, C and A are of positive sign. D and B are of negative sign. D and B are of negative sign. So we can also do it like E plus C plus A minus.
आज के टाइम में स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेड करना बहुत आसान है। खाली आपको ऐप डाउनलोड करना है और बटन दबाना है बाय या सेल।
Minus C plus, so E plus C plus A minus D plus B minus B plus C. Now this should be divided on dividing by 11. The remainder should be how much? The remainder should be 0. Right. So this should be either in terms of formula should be divided by 11. The remainder should be 0. Okay. So for this number should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay, so rule for 11 goes like this. So rule for 11 goes like this, right? Starting from last, sum of digits at odd places minus sum of digits at
Starting from last
even
one.
places. This is the rule for 11, right? Starting from last, that means last at the count as 1. So start is also some of the dates at odd places, right? Odd places. 1, 3, and 5. Minus sum of the dates at even places. That is 2 and 4. So this should be either 0 or of the form 11k. Because if it is of the form 0 or 11k, then only by dividing by 11 does it remainder as 0. That means number is divisible by 11. Okay. So for 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n, only we check for last 10 digits. For 3 and 9, you have to check for some of the dates. That means some of the dates should be divisible by 3 or 9. Divisible by 3 or 9. Okay. And for 11, this is the rule for 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n, all the numbers like 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay. And powers of 5 like 5, 25, 125, 625, then 3, 9, 11. This we have discussed. Okay. Okay. Now, we'll do a question now. See, question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is written till 634 digits. Till 634 digits. Okay. Let it be n. Okay. Write like this n. So n is equal to this much. Is a question. N divided by 32. What is the remainder? N divided by 32. What is the remainder? Okay, let's solve it. So n is a big number, huge number. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Then written till 634 digits, right? So n divided by 32, what is the remainder? So first you should focus on this. N divided by 32. So 32 means what? It is 2 raised to 5. That means I am only concentrated on last 5 digits of this number. I am only concentrated on last 5 digits of that this number, right? This number last 5 digits, because divisibility rule for a number of the form 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n is what? Last n digits. That's it. Okay. So 2 raised to 5 is what? Last 5 digits. 2 raised to 5. So how to count digits now? See, how to count digits I'll tell you. Simply, you can count simply 1, 2, 3 till 9. You can count 9 digits. Then 10, 11, 12 till 99. Now each number has got 2 digits, right? Each number has got 2 digits. So there are 90 numbers here. Okay, there are 90 numbers here. There are 90 numbers here. So each number has got 2 digits. So how many digits in total? Total 180 digits. Okay. So that means if a number is written like this, 1, 2, 3 till 99. Okay. So in total 189 digits are written. Okay. Now if 189 digits are written here, so what you have to find? You have to find for 634 digits. Okay. So it is for 634 digits, right? So how many are left now? 634 minus 189. That is how much? That is 445. 445. So 445 only. Okay. So now each digit will contain.
Do you aspire to lead quant teams of international banks hedge fund?
3 digits. 100, 101. So each number will come 3 digits. Each number will contain 3 digits, right? That is will return 1. So we will see, right, till which number it will go in multiples of 3, because 445 is not a multiple of 3. Okay. So since 445 is not a multiple of 3, so till which number it will go? Till which number it will go, right? So since 445 is not a multiple of 3, till which number it will go? Okay. So till which number it will go? You can calculate 445 by 3. What is it? How many times it goes? So 445 by 3, it goes how many times? You can just simply calculate 445 by 3. So it's like 148 into 3 is 444. Can you understand this? 148 into 3 is 444 plus 1. Okay. Very important concept. It's very important how to count digits. Okay. So 634 digits are here. 634 digits in total. If 1, 2, 3, that means all the 9 single digits, and then all the 2 digit numbers are written. Then 9 plus 180. Total 189 digits are counted if it is from 1 to 99 written. Right. Now after that it starts 308. Okay. So each number contains 3 digits. So you have to go for how many digits now? Total 634 digits. 189 already over. So left with 445 digits. Okay. So 445 by 3, because each number contains 3 digits, is about 148 into 3 plus 1. That means I can write 148 numbers like this. So starting from 100, 148 number. I mean how much? 99 plus 148. How much? It is 247. Okay. So 99 plus 148 is how much? It is 247. Right? 247. So like this, 148 times. Okay, 333 digit in 148 numbers. This will count for total 244. Sorry, this will count for. Okay, So this will count for total how many numbers? This will count for total 148 into 3. Total triple 4 digits it counted. So it left with only one now. We are left with only one now. So after 247, 248. But afterwards it is not needed, right? Afterwards it is not needed because it is how much? 248, right? So 2 and then it starts with 48, right? So this part I am not considering because that's it. My 445 digits are 441 plus 1, 445 digits and plus 189. 634 are total 634.
Thank you, Nandlal
So in that
Rathod.
case, how much is left now? So what is the last 5 digits of the number? 247. Now here it is 246. So last 5 are 62472. Okay. Last 5 are 62472. So last 5 are 62472. So we are searching for last 5 digits only. So 62472 divided by 32. Remember how much it is? Do it manually, okay? 32 is 32. 304. So 32 into 9 is 288. So again 16, 107. Answer will be 8. So 8 is answer to this question, right? So basically the question was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 10, 634. Ready?
बहुत ट्रैवल करते हो?
थोड़ा नहीं बहुत